Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is on avocado mask, the benefits and all that. So I've seen a couple of people doing this avocado mask and their reviews are very amazing. So I decided to try this avocado mask on my natural hair. And if you are new here, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Guys, please stick to the end to know how I achieved this amazing avocado mask routine on my natural hair. And yeah, so guys, let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. So now I'm taking out my twist before I can apply my avocado mask. So avocado is the main ingredient. So avocado prevents dandruff, and avocado is full of vitamin B and E, and it protects and strengthens the hair. Vitamin E repairs damaged hair. So that's the benefit of avocado. So I'm done blending my avocado. So next I'll add my coconut oil and my honey. So coconut oil promotes hair growth, moisturizes dry hair, prevents hair breakages and split end, adds shine and soften the hair. So honey also restores shine, reduce frizz and soften hair. So after mixing my avocado with coconut oil and honey, I will apply it on my natural hair. I'm done applying it on my hair, so I will let my hair sit for 30 minutes before I shampoo and condition. I'm done with my avocado hair mask routine. I love this avocado hair mask and I don't mind doing it again. I love it so much. And guys, please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about this avocado mask, and subscribe on your way out if you are new here. And guys, share this video with your friends. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.